Arrive in style with this Audi 2012 Q5 2.0T Premium Plus. If you are looking for a first-class ride, you have found it. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: convenience package, Premium Plus package, 10 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius, Audi music interface with iPod integration, CD player, radio data system, radio, Audi MMI Plus system with 6.5 color screen and air conditioning. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.